In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel not printing grid lines. Start by opening your Excel worksheet. Make sure you open the exact file where you want the grid lines to appear on paper. Once it loads, you should see your usual rows and columns filled with your data, or maybe a blank table. Take a second to confirm you are on the worksheet that you plan to print, because everything you do next will only affect this active sheet. Now look toward the top of the Excel window and click the Page Layout tab. This tab sits along the ribbon near Home and Insert, and it changes the toolbar to show Print and Layout tools. When you click it, the options under the ribbon will shift. You will see groups like Themes, Page Setup, Scale to Fit, and Sheet Options. If you do not see Page Layout, check that the Excel window is maximized so the tab is not hidden. From here, move your eyes to the Sheet Options section. It is usually near the right side of the Page Layout ribbon. In this section, you will see the word Gridlines and often a small label for headings as well. Under Gridlines, you should see separate checkboxes for View and Print. The View setting controls whether you see the gray grid on your screen. The Print setting controls whether those same lines show up on the physical page. Under Gridlines, check Print. Click directly in the Print checkbox so that a check mark appears. As soon as you do this, Excel updates the sheet setting immediately. There is no extra Save button for this change. A useful detail here is that this applies only to the current worksheet. If your file has several tabs and you need grid lines on each one, you would repeat this step on each sheet. If the box was already checked, that means grid lines are allowed to print, and you may need to look at the print preview next to see how they appear. Next up, click File, then Print to preview it. Go to the top left corner, click File, and then choose Print from the menu that appears. Excel will open the print screen, showing a large preview of your page on the right. Here you should now see the grid lines drawn around your cells, even if the cells are empty. If the lines look too light, remember that the final look also depends on your printer quality and the paper type. Use the arrows under Settings to flip through pages and confirm that each one shows grid lines where you expect them. When you are satisfied, you can continue to print from this same screen. You have now turned on gridline printing in Excel and confirmed it in the print preview. If this helped you get your grid lines back on paper, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Excel fixes.